What's up, guys? So today we're going to talk about if ETFs or stocks are better to invest in. Alright, an ETF gives you a more diversified securities or stock, but it's cheaper than a stock. While in a stock, you own a certain portion or a certain percent of that company, just one company. While in ETFs, it's various companies that you own a smaller percentage of. Alright, with ETFs, you can invest in a wide range of bonds and shares. Like I said before, in stocks, it's only one company that you're buying a share from, while an ETF is several. An ETF is safer than buying an individual bond, but they don't have the same capacity of return. ETFs also have smaller fees than actively traded investments. ETFs also they pay dividends for all the stocks that are under that certain ETF. But in stocks, you only get paid for that dividend that you hold for that company. So if you hold one share, you only get paid for that one share you own. While in ETF, you get paid for several shares you own in that ETF. In stocks, you don't have to pay management fees, zero, because it's coming out from your pocket and you're the one investing and looking. While in ETFs, you do have to pay a management fees. So in ETFs, you really don't need that much background in stocks or the market because it's a diversified group, so you get parts of several companies. While if you invest in a stock, you actually have to do your research, see the earnings report, and do the background research on the company, what it is about, and all of that. So you gotta be more on top of the stocks than you do in ETFs. Both ETFs and stocks have the same liquidity, so they usually turn from when you set it to cash in roughly about the same time. So I mean, it all comes down to you if you want to trade ETFs or stock. I personally trade stocks. I'm not really an ETF guy. I'm more of like a scalp trader, I guess you can say. I hold the positions for several days and sell it. I do also options, as you guys might tell from all my videos that I post. And I trade the companies that I find value in. I research them, I know them, such as Tesla, it's a car company, Amazon, Facebook, Netflix, all of these companies I know because either I use some or I've read about some, so I've made my own research. In ETFs, you really don't need that much experience. All you need is money, I guess you can say. You just give it to someone. I mean, you invest it in the ETF and then you just hold it. It also trades like a stock, so if you want, you can sell it for more. I mean, like hold it, sell it, or you could just hold it in general and then just rack up those dividends from those companies that are inside the ETF. So at the end of the day, it just really comes down to you if you want to trade ETFs or stocks. I just encourage you guys to do your own research, because maybe you think ETFs is safer, but then you like stocks more. I personally fell in love with stocks. I don't know, I just thought it's more of because I have more control of the things I do, and sometimes I like being in control. So like I see when I can sell, when I can buy, or I'm like, nah, I don't think it's a good time to buy, so I just hold off on the trade till I think it's a good time to buy and then sell at a higher price and make profit like that. So it just comes down to personal preference. So please just go out there, do your own research, read about ETFs, read about stocks, see which one you like better, and just invest. I just urge you guys to invest at least $10, because in the long run it'll help you. At least trade $10. Don't even trade, just invest $10 either a week or every 2 weeks, so from now till you retire, because that will help you grow your portfolio. It will help you retire when you get older. It'll help you grow money passively, so you just leave it there and you don't have to do anything. You can get either dividends or invest it in the S&P 500, get a 10% average return yearly. So if you invest $100, you get $10 a year, and then those 110 will give you another 10%, etc. Remember, it's an average, so some years it's maybe 8%, other years it's 12%. So it's just so you guys know. So if you really want to invest, just like do your own research, see which one you like better. And if you're not sure, just invest $10 a month or $10 every 2 weeks on the S&P 500. Talk to a financial advisor. I'm not one, so don't take my word for it, but just talk to one. Be like, all right, look, I want to plan for retirement, I want to invest, even if you're young. It's better if you're young, because then when you get older, you have even more money in your portfolio that you can retrieve out, and you don't have to like keep on working. So just plan for the future. Don't plan for 2 years from now. Plan for 30 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now. You don't want to be working till you're 60 and retiring at 65 when you're gonna die probably like 85. That's the average lifespan. You want to invest now, and if everything goes good, retire maybe 40, 45, and then you have like 40 years to live out of all the things you invested in. So either that's real estate, stocks, ETFs, bonds, anything like that. Just invest, please. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. I was just trying to compare ETFs to stocks and tell you guys like the differences. ETF again is when you invest, but it's a variety of options. So like it's a bunch of companies into one, while in stock you're only buying an individual stock. ETFs are safer than individual stocks, but I think the outcome stocks are better. If you're like a person that likes being in control of things, go to stocks. If you're a person that just puts money in and leaves it there, maybe an ETF is better for you. Just do your own research again and see which one you like best. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video. Stay tuned for more videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, and then I'll see you guys later. Peace out.